What's up, Android lovers? So welcome to Bryizz07 YouTube channel. So today we were going to review the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is recently launched this month of February 2018. So as you can see, first thing you will going to notice about this device is that they have a much look cool design here with a fingerprint unlock scanner at the back and with a cool alignment of the camera and the flash. So this was released on 28th February as we mentioned earlier, and notice that the display type is IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 colors, which is good. So for those who love to put in awesome wallpapers, this was a good result. So you will see an awesome result of your wallpaper. So the size of the screen is 5.99 inches. So this is also considered to be a phablet device. So one of the best device which is fit for all the gamers out there, all the selfie lovers out there. So it has 9.2.6 centimeters squared, 77.4% screen to body ratio. So the resolution is 1080 by 2160 pixels. So this was a good, as you can see the resolution was 1080, so much better for video recording and so on. So protection, remember that these specs here is not 100% correct, but nearly 100, I guess. So if you're wondering if device is protected by Corning Gorilla but says no, so you might need to put a screen protector or something like that. And the multi-touch, yes, with MIUI 9. So the body dimension is 158.6 times 75.4 times 8.1 millimeter. So not bad, with a weight of 181 gram. So it's really handy. So for the girls might be a little bit heavy, but for those gamer this must be the best device for you. So the build is front glass aluminum body. So this is the aluminum body build. So expect cool handy device with a dual SIM, nano SIM dual standby. And of course, let's talk about the camera. So the primary of the camera is dual 12 megapixel with 5 megapixel face detection, autofocus, dual lid, dual tone flash. So this has also an autofocus, which is awesome. So best for all selfie lovers out there. So this will autofocus the object. For example, if you're going to take a selfie yourself, it will automatically detect your face, so with a flash. So as you can see, dual lid, dual tone flash. And the main camera, the secondary, which is 20 megapixel, which is good for dark captioning and also in video recording. The features is geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama, as you can see, with HDR. So the video is 1080p 30 fps. And of course, the good news about this one is that the external slot can be expandable in micro SD up to 256 gig, and of course with internal storage of 64 or 32 gig. So there is a little bit difference about it. There's two variations of this device. So if you are choosing the device for 64 gig internal storage, expect to have a 4 or 6 gig RAM. But if you choose 32 gig, It's also 3 grams, so which is not bad. So the varies the price of the internal storage, or how much internal storage you're going to purchase. So I suggest here 64 gig, which is really cool. So you can enjoy installing apps, playing games, and so on. So the network, of course, for GLTE is supported, and the battery is non-removable 4000 mAh battery. So you can be enjoy using your device longer since it has 4000 mAh battery. So the bad news about this is non-removable, since Xiaomi is really put a non-removable battery for a reason. So some reasons, to prevent laggy or unusual battery insertion. Like for example, you're going to insert incompatible battery, so this will. So there are some reasons why the Xiaomi supported. So you're remembering the Samsung is putting a removable battery, but now they are, to their new device, they are now putting a non-removable battery. So similar to iPhone. So available color, you can choose black, champagne gold, rose gold, and blue. And the popular one is the rose and the champagne gold. So it has in Android versions of 7.1.2 Nougat. So hopefully there is a update of this one to Oreo. So the Xiaomi is planning to put a new update about this. So wait for your device to update. So soon. Here, visit androidpro.com. They will provide you how to update your Android versions. So the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 with octa-core CPU and the Adreno 509 CPU. So yes, there's a loudspeaker and a 3.5mm jack with a WAN LAN, Wi-Fi 0.11. The Bluetooth is supported, GPS, yes, the radio. So as you can see, they also provide a radio. So some devices like Samsung, I don't seem to see radio supported. So this device, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, is supporting FM radio. So USB, micro USB 2.0, and the features, fingerprint, of course. To unlock your device, you can see here the little circle at the back of this device. And the messaging is MS Street View, MMS, ML push email, IM, and the browser. So that's it. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So first, don't forget to subscribe. Visit this website. They provide a how routing. So soon they're planning to put a tutorial on how to route Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and of course how to flash Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. I think they taught here on how to flash firmware or stock ROM for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. And the pros: good design and excellent battery capacity with an infrared support and micro SD card slot ported. Includes a fingerprint unlock per device. So the cons is non-removable batteries. You can see we talk about the non-removable battery, but it's not really that problem. So this device is very tempting device, so beware. So really, they put that one. So this me myself is I love checking a new superb device. So I can say about this device that they have a satisfaction for the users, because of course the camera with good megapixel, the display, the screen size, which is also myself is a gamer also. I also love capturing photos. So the main camera is 20 megapixel, which is good. And of course, this is the very important, the micro SD with a 256 gig expandable and with support of 64 gig or 32 gig in the version OS, which is soon may be upgradable to Oreo. So hopefully they will soon update that one. And that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you like this video. So hopefully soon we're going to put a actual reviews about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. So thanks for watching. Bye.